Career lesson number 8 na tayo. Master decision making under pressure. Ang isang future leader, hindi lang gumagawa ng desisyon. Magaling sila mag-isip. If you are in a senior role, you're going to face pressure, uncertainty, mga imperfect information. Pero kahit ganon, you still need to decide. And you have to decide well. Kaya anong sikreto dyan? You need to sharpen your thinking skills, your logical, critical, and creative thinking skills. Ano ba yung logical thinking? It helps you see cause and effect of the different variables. Critical thinking helps you challenge your own assumption and the assumption of others. And creative thinking is important because it allows you to create solutions, gives you options that others don't see. So you have to practice solving problems, analyze cases, reflect on decisions. Huwag puro instinct lang. Dapat meron kang framework or structure or process na ginagamit. Remember this, the best decision makers aren't always right, but they're always learning. So if you want to lead, you have to train your brain because leadership is 90% thinking and 10% react. I hope this helps.